Hello, my name is Michelle Carson-Williams. I'm Chief Executive of Holmes and Head of the Board Practice. Today we're here to talk about the future CEO and who gets to the top of the tree and how, what that will look like 5, 10, 15 years out from now.
The world is changing so much that you have to be able to understand how the world is changing and making sure your business strategy is able to be viable in 5 years, 10 years time. But I think the other thing is that you have to be able to also lead the basics. You know, you still need companies to actually work properly. People need to get paid. People need to understand why they're coming to work. Most modern companies, all modern companies, need to really grasp what their customer needs.
Having spent 30 years in the industry and as myself as a CEO of a number of businesses, then I appreciate the changes that are going on in the industry, and therefore, very interesting to have a discussion with other CEOs and other stakeholders as to how the CEO of the future might be shaped.
The ability of everyone to see and know everything that happens through social media platforms or through rapid local reporting means that CEOs need to just be hyper aware of what's actually going on, what they say, what they commit to, because the effects of one small decision or misstep can have a very rapid effect on companies and the value and the morale.
I think there's a real challenge because I see fantastic people day in, day out, thousands in academia, and I think that the current rules of the game actually preclude a lot of them from getting on. So again, for me, one of the big challenges of modern society is to change the rules about how we let people into this game.
Even looking around the room and looking at the folks we have with us, most people have a pretty similar age profile, a similar profile in terms of genetics, and I think you can see that there's a certain kind of pattern already here. And if you say, will it look like that in 15 years' time? I'm sure the answer is it'll have to look different.